Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing a sugar-free watermelon mojito recipe. A perfect healthy drink to beat the summer heat. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 1 cup chopped watermelon. Into it, I'm adding in half cup chilled ice cold water and I'm going to blend this. The watermelon is blended. I'm going to transfer this into a cup. And I'm keeping this aside. Into my serving glass, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons chopped watermelon cubes. Into this, I'm adding in 8 mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon kala namak, also known as black salt, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and with a muddler or with the back of a spoon, I am crushing the ingredients which is in the serving glass. And once it is lightly crushed, I am squeezing in half a lemon. And mix it lightly again. I'm adding in 2 lemon slices, 2 to 3 mint leaves which I'm roughly tearing and adding in. Add in 2 tablespoons soaked sabja seeds. Sabja seeds has cooling properties and I've already shared the difference between chia seeds and sabja seeds. Please do check it out. Next I'm adding in some ice cubes and then pour in the prepared watermelon juice. Give it a light stir. Add in about a teaspoon of sabja seeds on top. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And a couple of lemon wedges. So guys, do try this refreshing summer cooler and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.